I advise everyone to buy a muscle car, bro. I don't give a damn if it's your second, third, fourth, fifth car. Like, bro, get one. Oh, shit is grounding. And plus, I don't know if y'all peep, man. The Dodge CEO just retired, bro. Like, what is going on, bro? Like, was this the end of an era for Mopars, bro? Where is he gonna, like what, bro? Like, what? We're not gonna have a 2025 muscle? You know what I mean? Gab, motherfucker, twin? Like, that's really blowing me right now, but I don't know, you know. Things change all the time. So, we'll see, though. But in the meantime, between time, P, we're gonna keep making this content and keep being enthusiastic about these Mopars, even though, you know, we get a lot of hate. Best muscle car in America, man. Argue with your mama. Hear that? Love that, bro. I live for that. Need to clean the inside of my whip, by the way. I done got my car clean like twice on the house, 2-3 times. And still haven't gotten it clean inside because I like doing this shit myself. I don't really trust them. I don't trust people in my car like that. I don't even trust people in my crib like that, twin. I ain't trust people around me like that, twin. I actually got my car detailed one time, bro. Paid like $200. Horrible job, bro. Like, I should have really watched him do it because I feel like because I wasn't watching him, he was like type tripping. Like, I'm like, bro, what's going on? Like, anywho, I ain't tripping though. Watch my own. Nah. Had a little Mr. Car Wash membership, but man, they just tell them over through the machine. I be like, I'm gonna be scratching your whiskey up. So.